Kia ora tātou. Kia ora tātou e rā mene nei. I raro i ngā roi mato te ato e patapatani ki runga ki a tātou i tēnei rangi. E mihi kawana tēnei ki ngā mau ngā whakahi o Tāmaki a tāwharanei a tātou i tēnei wā. Ki ngā mana whenua e tia ki mana ki a tātou nei o tēnei koko i tērā. I tēnei mārama te tau e pahuri ake nei. Kua u nei te parikura ki runga o tautahi. E rangi, te kapua keke au ki runga ki Aotearoa whānui tonu. Anei ngā roi mata e maumahara ki tērā te āniwhaniwhatanga o te aroha ki a rātou kununumi ki te pō. Ahui anō, e aku nui e aku rahi, koutou kua u nei, kawea mai au koutou tine mate kia tangihia, kia mihia, kia purapura ki a rātou katoa. Ahui anō, kauri anō nei ki a tātou i ngā maramara o rātu mā. Tēnā tātou. Ko te take kāre anō kua timata te karakia. Kātahi kua mahua i te rangi nei pia. Hoi anō, e mihi kawana tēnei ki a koutou. Mai te ahura i toi o Tāmaki. Mai te puni kōkiri. Mai te taurā whiri nei. Mo tēnei kaupapa ko TIRA. Ana, ko tātou te TIRA i tēnei pō, ki a rongo, ki te reo take o te whenua nei. E tuiri te reo o te kāinga pia, hoi anō e kōrero anō tērā. E mihi kawana tēnei ki a tātou, i hara mai nei, ki te whakarongo, ki te reo reka. Ki te reo Māori, ki te reo oi nei, o nā tuhunga, o te waiata nei. Hoi anō, kahuri au ki te reo o taku māma, te reo pihi ke te ki wētahi atu. Welcome everyone to TIRA. TIRA loosely translated means a group. And this is the group here that all of us here will be singing tonight. So e mihi tēnei ki a tātou katoa mo tērā āhuatanga. I said in my speech that 1 year ago to the month that we had a sad event that happened in Christchurch, and we remember all those that have passed on before us. Also, we welcome you to this event, and hopefully you can rock out those jams like our reo waiata here. Hoi anō, I'm just going to open with a karakia. If it rains again, I might have done it a bit wrong, but we'll see how it goes. Ai ona re krore he maunga rongo ki runga ki te whenua whakaaro pai ki ngā tangata katoa. Hei mua koe e iu au tohutui a mātou mahi katoa. Ko koe huka i whakakahi a mātou, whai krore au mātou roto a mahi katoa, mea tīmata hewe mahi mea whakotire i roto i a koe. Ki whiwhai mātou te oranga tunutanga ngā te mea te whai tiane a mātou i tēnei rangi. A krore ki tō ingoa tapu. Amene. Kia ora tātou.
Ka pai. Kei ngā moto i kaho te anoroto mai i ngā iwi putanoa. Tēnā rau atu koutou katoa. How are we all doing out there, ladies and gentlemen? Oh, let's hear a bit more noise. How are we all doing out there, ladies and gentlemen? Oh, there it is. Kia ora, everybody, and welcome to the official opening of the Auckland Arts Festival, Te Ahurei Toi, o Tāmaki Makaurau 2020. Now, we've got an awesome array of kaupapa for your delights tonight and this evening. However, before we do, let's sync up because we've got a bit of a choir. The real intent of this kaupapa is to get everybody on board to sing songs together. And so we've made it easy for you. You'll find that we'll even have lyrics posted. Oh, hey girl. Yes, we'll have lyrics posted up behind me, so the view won't be as beautiful. However, it'll provide you the lyrics in order for you to sing along the songs. And we also have a special app that you can download now so that you have the lyrics live for your own help, I guess, assistance, we'll say. Now, tonight we've brought together some of Aotearoa's finest. specifically in kapahaka. Now, I don't know if anyone here has heard of hātea kapahaka. If you haven't, yes! One of the best in the industry, Huama. We have the amazing hātea who have worked not only recently with 660 in an album released under Hinewehi Mohi. So more of that coming very, very soon. Along with hātea, we also have one of Aotearoa's most soulful vocalists. Of course, the amazing Holly Smith. Yes! Paki paki mai. Kapai. But before we do get started, because obviously the rain has stopped because we're bringing the sunshine in this afternoon, e Huama, we're going to sync up and we're going to ensure that you are ready to be interactive and that you are ready to work as a team as we bring to life TIRA 2020. So what we're going to do to start off and to get a bit of a warm-up in here, I'm going to break us off into sections. So on this side, we have the right side. Can I have a round of applause from our right side? Oh, yep, not too bad, not too bad. All right, and over here we have our middle section. Round of applause from our middle section. Okay, yes, we've got a bit of wairua over here. Love it, love it. And over here we have the left side. Can I have some round of applauses? Oh, Auntie in the burgundy fluffy coat, loving your energy, hun. Okay, so what we're going to do, e Huama, is we're going to sync up. Before we do go into the nitty-gritty notes, we're going to sync up our tempo. So our right-hand side, we're going to call you Grapes. Can you say it with me now? Grapes. Awesome. And here is your tempo. Grapes, 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 grapes. Go. Bit louder. Ha, ha, ha. Thank you very much, Grapes. Awesome. Beautiful. All right. In our middle section, we have pineapple, pineapple, and pineapple. Awesome. Thank you very much, pineapples. Juicy. All right, and on this side, we have apples and oranges. Apples and oranges. And beet. Apple. Awesome. Beautiful apples and oranges. Citrus. Love it. All right. We are now going to make a fruit salad of tempo. So please, keep your tempo off the grape section. Here we go. Grapes, are we ready? Give me a bit of round of applause. Are we ready? Oh, the grapes are ready. The grapes are ready. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and grapes, grapes, grapes. Keep it going. Apples and oranges. Apples and oranges. Louder. Pineapples. Now. Pineapple. Pineapple. Louder. And beat. Ha, 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 ha. Louder. Ha, ha. All right, awesome, awesome. Kapai, we'll take that in as our first round. Now we're going to see who is the winning section of the night. Let's set the tempo. Now I want you to give me some volume. We call it ihi, a bit of wana, ne? So give me a bit of, spice in your presentation of your fruit. Here we go, starting off with grapes. Toru, fa, and grapes. Beautiful. Apples and orange. Louder. Apples and oranges. Here we go, pineapples. Toru, fa, and pine. Fruit salad, yummy, yummy. Fruit salad, yummy, yummy. Fruit salad, yummy, yummy. Oh, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause. Awesome, awesome. So you've got the tempo. That's all you need. Now let's hope you do get the notes as we are about to welcome onto the stage our first act of the night. Yes, e Huama. Now, of course, you would have heard me mention them earlier this evening. They go by the name of Hātea Kapahaka. Round of applause. Kapai. Can I hear everybody say Hātea? Awesome. One more time. Hātea. And all together, toru wha, ha. Beautiful pronunciation e Huama. E whakaeke mai anai runga I te atamirai nai anei, joining us on stage to perform e hoa with their own twist. Ladies and gentlemen, Hātea Kapahaka.
Good everybody, our note is Very good.
Ka pai, ladies and gentlemen. Another round of applause for the amazing Hātea Kapahaka. Ka pai e hoa mā. We are now going to move on to our next waiata. And actually, it's myself. So I'm coming through as a bit of a time filler as we welcome up our amazing band members. And we're going to sing with you a song I composed last year, released in an album called Te Kākano, which actually won Best Māori Album of the Year. Tēnā koutou ai. Now this song is in dedication to Mary. I don't know if you've heard of Mary from Ōpoho, who refused to pronounce her hometown properly, called Ōpoho. She calls it Opo. Yes. But no, Mary will definitely pronounce Camembert properly. And so this is a fun take on assisting the pronunciation of our beautiful Māori names of our towns and places here in Aotearoa. So please, whakarongo mai e hoa mā. This song is called Kia Tika Rā. Taki o ki tētahi whanoke I mihi mai te whakahua tika I taku ingoa aue kei te koe kuare Nā whakarongo mai I o kia te kangapu kei poriro tōku reo I a koe aue I ngā pōra I mataki au I ngā matapai huarare me te rereke i o kia te kangapu kei pōriro tōku reo i a koe aue. Kai pai, pick me up. Tauranga, tauranga, ka pai. Whangarei, whangarei, oh beautiful. Taupo, taupo, beautiful e hoama. Here's the most important one of them all. Aotearoa, ko te ia o, e nei waiata, he whaka atu me hea, te whakahupa tika, whakarongo maira, e i o kia te kangapu, kei pōriro, tōku reo i a koe. Ha, ha, kei pōriro, tōku reo, tōku reo, Māori e. Kia te kara. Kia ora, kia ora. Right, e hoama. Without further ado, let's not waste time. I'm excited for the next act that is about to bless the stage today. One of my favorite vocalists of Aotearoa e hoama, singing her song, Always Take the Weather. Beautiful, and she's brought the beautiful weather as well. Please welcome to the stage, Holly Smith.
Kia ora koutou te whānau. This will be a familiar one for some of you. It is not in Te Reo, but you're welcome to join in at any time. Walking round the room singing stormy weather in 57 Mount Pleasant Street. Well, it's the same moon, but everything's different. And you can fight the sleep, but not the dream. Things ain't cooking in my kitchen. Strange affliction was over me. It's only a season, and the Roman Empire couldn't conquer the blue sky. Oh, there's a small boat made in China, and going on the mantelpiece. Oh, do I lie like the lounge room music? Do I sing like a bird release? Everywhere you go, always take the weather with you. Everywhere you go, always take the weather. Everywhere you go, you always take the weather with you. Everywhere you go, you always take the weather. Take the weather with you. Oh, these ain't cooking in my kitchen. Strange afflictions wash over me. Joyous season in the Roman Empire couldn't conquer the blue sky. Oh, there's a small boat made of China, going nowhere on the mantelpiece. Yeah, do I lie
the beautiful, soulful sounds of the beautiful Holly Smith e Huama. Ka pai. And as we're preparing for our next beautiful act, I want to introduce everyone to the amazing Stephen Rapana. Can I please have you identify yourself, sir? Ai Huama, here is the musical director of TIRA. Now, Stephen has also brought along with him the amazing Everyone Sings. Nah. So you'll see, can I have a show of hands? Everyone from this choir. Everyone Sings, right. You'll see that they have their t-shirts on, the beautiful ES symbol. Now, you feel free to, just stroll on over, ask any assistance with notes, anything with words. You just go over to them. They are your go-to people, e Huama. Oh, we've got some beautiful ones coming up on the stage right now. Before we do go into our next Waiata e Huama, I was also told to make you all aware of a beautiful app called Toitu Te Reo app. By downloading this right now, you will have the lyrics on your phone in an instant. So if you are a Samsung user, I think that is Play Store. If you're an iPhone user, that is your Apple Play Store, ne? Apple App Store, whatever. Kia koutou. The real classics of it is download the app, you'll have the words, you can sing along with the whānau. Moving on, e Huama, we've got our next waiata, Wairua o te Puna, so please join us as we sing. Homai te Pakipaki e Huama. Round of applause, everyone. Everybody sings, yes. So just so you all know, if you enjoyed that, this kaupapa was founded by Mel Roberts and Kate Bell in 2016. And it says here, Everybody Sings has at its heart the philosophy that singing is for everyone. The choirs are welcoming environments We're for members to sing for life and for joy, build communities and gain confidence from song. So if you're interested in this kaupapa, make sure you go and hit Steve up, Matua Steve. Just give him a kia ora and he'll take it away from there, Huama. However, we have a special treat coming your way. They went viral for this item actually, across the world, singing Bohemian Rhapsody, I te reo Māori, yes. Now, Hātea Kapahaka is coming back on now to sing another waiata. When the wera was given to Hātea and music director Stephen Rapana to teach the public to sing Bohemian Rhapsody in te reo Māori, the first reactions would have no doubt been, are you crazy? Yes, not the most straightforward to teach nera. However, Stephen managed to do a simpler, stripped-back version for all to sing. And so follow the kupu. You'll have the app by your side. Hopefully it flicks up on behind me as well, so you can have that as well. Singing Bohemian Rhapsody, e Huama. Now, do we have our note keeper here? Is this your note keeper? This is my note keeper. Ka pai. E Huama, please meet the amazing O Tene Hopa! Can I please get everyone to say, Hopa! Okay, now give it a bit more vigor. Hopa! Oh, beautiful. Yes, e Huama, this is Otene. Hopa! Now, Otene, please tell me about the kapa.
So we're a kapahaka. We celebrate 20 years this year, 20 years old.
Round of applause, e Huama, 20 years.
We're based out of Whangarei, but a lot of us call Auckland home.
Yes, this is why they are amazing, because they are from Te Tai Tokero, the Northland, e Huama. Yes, let's have another round of applause for that one. Ka pai Otene, now tell me, give us some information about this waiata. Where do we start?
So Bohemian Rhapsody, a song that is universally known, and so please feel free to add your little Freddie impersonations. We want that vigour in there, and to create some life and some real rock kind of music tonight.
Oh, I love it. Round of applause for that answer, e Huama. And just so you know, you may see the cameras. It's because we are live right now on the Auckland Arts Festival page on Facebook. So please bring out your Freddie Mercury dance moves. Kai a koutou. Well, right, without further ado, e Huama, anei Hātea Kapahaka and their rendition of
Bohemian Rhapsody.
Kia ora rā, homai te paki.
Oh tukuna. E kore e tuku tukuna, kore e tuku tukuna, kore e tuku tukuna. Na, mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia tukuna. Ko maua ko whiro e noho tahi, tahi, tahi.
Oh, amazing e Huama. Yes, singing Mama, e hara I te mahi Mama. He mahi ua ua tonu e Huama. Round of applause, hātea kapahaka. That beautiful rendition. Oh, I love me some Auntie Pauline. Love her. Kampai Huama. Now, before we wrap up our final, last waiata, we've got a bit of an interaction. So I'm going to ask, can everybody say, ko ruku tia? Go. Ko ruku tia. One more time. Ko ruku tia. So, ko ruku tia will be the catchphrase word for our final song tonight. Now, this is the translation made by the amazing Tweedy Waititi as well for Holly Smith's amazing, beautiful vocal rendition of Bathe in the River. So, we're going to have a bit of an interaction now. Repeat after me. Korukutia. Go. Korukutia. Awesome. Kapai. So when she comes up and sings her waiata, na 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 na, you gotta go. Korukutia. Awesome. One more time. We're gonna add more wana in that. We're gonna add more oomph into that one there. One more time. I'm gonna bathe and korukutia. Yes, awesome, beautiful. I hear all those notes. And please feel free to add in some harmonies. As long as you're on note, we don't care. So yes, please, stay on note and you got this. One more time. I'm gonna bathe and oh, ātāhua e hoa mā. Yes, well, before we go into that song, we're going to introduce our next song called Tāmaki, which comes from the saying, ka whati te tai, ka pao te tōrea. Does anybody here know what the tōrea bird is, or where that is from? Hapai, tōrea, indigenous bird of Aotearoa. From the South Island predominantly. But you'll notice with the tōrea bird, it usually collects its food from the seabed. And it can only do that when the tide goes out. So we have a saying in the Māori community, ka whati te tai, when the tide goes out, ka pao te tōrea. The tōrea bird swoops in to get its kai. It's probably its nearest equivalent would be take the opportunity whilst it presents itself. Ne? Ka whati te tai, ka pao te tōrea. Can I have everyone say tōrea? Tōrea. Oh, beautiful. It's sounding so beautiful coming from your mouth. Love it. Right, e Huama, this song is called Tōrea. waka o hine mo ana tai timu tai pari he potonoa I ho te wā ka whati ko te tai ka pau te torea ka whati ko te tai ka pau te torea ko tahi atu ana yeah kia I te taua ki te manu torea kaua e takaroa keria kei kiti ana tērā tai timu tai pari he potono ai ho te wā ka whati ko te tai ka pau te torea ka whati ko te tai ka pau te torea ko tahi atu ana tai timu tai pari he potono e ho te wā potono e ho te wā ka whati ko te tai ka pau te torea ka whati ko te tai ka pau te torea ko tahi atu ana kei whiti ana tērā kei whiti ana tērā kei whiti ana tērā kei whiti ana tērā ko takuite ko te torea karere kantopa Yes, ladies and gentlemen, tēnā koutou. That song was called Tōrea, ai e mihi ana. Now, before we go into our final act of the night, we're going to return back to that special, famous word, kōrukutia. One more time. One more time. Oh, beautiful. Now we're going to test it out in our notes. I'm gonna bathe and beautiful. Yes, I can feel all of our choir members. Yes. And all the wana and wairu are coming from this section. Love it. Give me more. Kampai. Now we've got to match that matua over there with some more passion and vigor in our kōrukutia. Kampai. One more time. I'm gonna bathe and oh, beautiful. Ka pai e huama. So let me give a bit of a bio before we go into it. 14 years ago, amidst the backdrop of Mount Roskill and from the soundtrack of Toa Fraser's hit movie, number 2, Holly Smith electrified the airwaves with her iconic rendition of Bathe in the River. Yes, Paki Paki Mai. Penned by Don McGlashan, the song spent 37 weeks in the top 40 and is now part of the soundtrack of a nation. Can't buy. So while Holly Smith has become one of Aotearoa's most respected voices, Holly Smith is breathing new life into this mighty waiata by singing a reo Māori version, translated by the amazing, the wonderful, the beautiful Tweety Waititi. Arai hoa ma. Round of applause. So please help me. Please give a warm welcome to the stage. Holly Smith, accompanied by Hātea Kapahaka. Here we go. One more round of applause, e hoama, the beautiful Holly Smith, accompanied by the one and only Hātea Kapahaka, and of course our amazing instrumentalists. Round of applause for them, yes. Ka pai e hoama. Well, unfortunately, that brings us to the end of our kaupapa this evening. We have a few special mentions. Thank you very much to the amazing Hātea Kapahaka. Round of applause. Keep that round of applause coming. David Tāpene. Everybody sings. Woohoo! Hapai. Stephen Rapana and Kate Bell. Holly Smith. Our amazing house band. Ka pai. And of course our sponsors, Te Puni Kōkiri, Stout Trust, Foundation North, and CNZ. And to finally wrap us up, e hoama, I'm going to now ask for the amazing Enon to wrap us up for our final karakia or prayer for this evening. Thank you very much for joining us, e hoama. Handing it over now to Enon.
Kia ora tātou. Tēnei pō ki te whakatairangi tō tātou reo. No re mihi ana kia koutou haramai nei ki tēnei kaupapa. The festival is running all this month and there's a whole heap of activities, so get out there and have a look at some shows. It'll be amazing. I'll just close us in the karakia. We should have done the hymn, but it doesn't matter because we had a mean singing tonight. So, he hono re kro re he maungarongo ki runga ki te whene whakaaro pai ki ngā tangata katoa. Hanga e te atu e ngā kaumā whakahute he wairu tiki ki roto ki a mātou. Tēnei rau au pununga tāne, pununga wahinu tuka whakamoiminisi inoi ki a koe i tēnei pō. Nau tērā i homai tēnei rangi ātahua kua mātou, i ēnei hoa kua tai mai nei i tēnei rangi. Toro mai o ringa kahaki runga ki ngā whānau e māuwi ana, e pauri ana, e pōhara ana. Ai roto i ngā whā rua tihiputu noa o te arua whānui tonu. Whakatairangi tēnei tō tātou kaupapa i tēnei wā e te atua. Krōri ki tō ingoa tapu. Amen. Enjoy your night. There's a hangi over there.